welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the 2x2x3. So first we have to mix it up. So now that we have it mixed up, we're going to start to solve. We're going to start with solving the white and the yellow side. But there can be different situations where you have like an L right here and then an opposite color. So what you want to do if you have this is you want to have it where you have like white and yellow, and then on the opposite side, so right here, you'd have white and yellow also, like this, and then you'd rotate it up, and then it matches and you have like these bricks. So what you want to do is you want to rotate it so that these are also opposite, and then rotate it up and match it up. There can also be where you have checkered patterns and maybe a brick on one side. What you want to do is you want to rotate this side up so you have the L, and then you can just solve it from there. Okay, so now that we have these white and yellow sides solved, we are going to get these pieces with the correct colors. So you're going to want to look on the cube and see if you have any solved brick, and it looks like we don't. So we're just going to have to do the algorithm twice. If you do have a solved brick, then you're going to put it on the left side and then do the algorithm. So the algorithm is right, up inverted, right, front, up, inverted, front, up, front. Okay? And now we have one brick solved, so we're going to put on the left, do it again. Okay, now we're going to do that on the yellow side, so we don't have any bricks. And so I'm going to do it 2 more times. Okay, so now that we have all these pieces in the right spot, we're going to try to get the cube as solved as we can. So we have green right here, so we want to rotate the green over, and we have orange. Okay, so now we are going to flip these pieces. So what you want to do is you want to find this place where if you bring the right down, then you have these 2 colors lined up in a brick. It's kind of like a T. So you can't do it anyone here except for right here. So the algorithm is you right inverted in this middle once, right, and then you can just match them up. So there can be a different possibility where, say you have these 2 sides right here that need to be flipped. There are 2 possible ways you can do that. You can either keep rotating right up to, and then you'll get this piece solved, and then you'll have to do it to these other 3. But instead what you can do is you can just move it right, middle to, right, and then you should be able to rotate it in and solve it. There's one more possibility where, say you have right here where you have just 2 pieces that need to be flipped. We interrupt this video for some breaking news. Last night I was goofing around curiously with my 2x2, and I realized that you can actually solve it just like a 2x2x3. Of course there's no middle, but what I mean by that is if you mix it up, you have white on top, yellow on bottom, and every time you do a back, right, or left move, if you do it 2 times, each time you turn it, it's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, like that. Then if you have someone mix it up and you have white and yellow on one side and you have white and yellow on the other side, then you can solve it like a 2x2x3, and it's much faster and simpler because it's less steps. What I mean by that is you can get the brick, and then you have the white and yellow side solved, and then you just do the algorithm that I showed you on how to get these pieces matched up. Hold this side on the left, And then every time you're doing the algorithm with a right move, though, you have to rotate it twice. And then front twice too. Okay, and see, now we have this side solved. And then all you have to do is you just have to match these colors up, and you'll have it solved. And it's solved. Or say you have just two pieces that need to be flipped. You're gonna hold it so you have one on the right side, and then you're just gonna keep going right, up to, right, up to, right, up to, until it's solved. And that's how you solve the 2x2x3. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.